Hi, I'm April with WTI.
Do you see all of that dirt and grime? Do you need to boost your cleaning power? Arm & Hammer Household Cleaner and Laundry Booster is your tool. I like to let my rags, towels, and washcloths soak before I put them in the laundry. Whenever I need to clean or deodorize my shoes, this is the first product I go for. I find that just a little bit goes a long way in tough cleaning all around my house. I have found that this cleaning agent is great on all different types of stains and dirt, as well as all different kinds of fabrics and surfaces. And everything I use it on comes out sparkling clean. One of my favorite uses is with my dishwater, as it helps to cut through all that nasty grease. I like to hand wash some of my items or even pre-treat them to get stains out, but ultimately I love it in my laundry. I am still challenging myself on how many more ways I can find to use this amazing cleaner.
And that's my point of view.